Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brie, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a castor oil hot oil treatment and as well as a pre-poo. So for those of you who don't know what a pre-poo is basically you're just prepping your hair before you shampoo or co-wash your hair. So I'm going to be washing my hair later today. I'm not going to be shampooing, but I am going to be co-washing. And so I wanted to try doing a hot oil treatment slash pre-poo, because usually I just hop right into the shower, whether it's co-wash week or shampoo week. I just hop in the shower with my hair in the state that it's in, but I know that pre-pooing has a lot of benefits for your hair. And yeah, so I wanted to try and incorporate this and start doing hot oil treatments, because I know that hot oil treatments are supposed to help with moisture and help with like shedding, breakage, and also help with just overall the health of your hair. So this video was definitely inspired by M.A.D curls. I'm subscribed to their channel. I do enjoy their videos. Taylor Ann did a video where she like used castor oil as a treatment, and she said that it basically transformed her hair, and I could definitely see a difference in her hair from before she applied it to after. So I want to see what it does for my hair, and she was experiencing a lot of breakage and shedding, and she said it's been helping with like moisture and different things like that. So I've been also experiencing a lot of shedding more than normal, so I kind of want to see if this will help my hair also. This intro is super duper long, but anyway, so without further ado, this is the oil I'm going to be using. She also used castor oil in the video, but she used the clear one. This is actually Jamaican black castor oil from Sunny Isles. This one is actually better for you than the clear one, because this one actually has more nutrients, and because it's in a dark bottle, it protects it from the sunlight and everything like that, so that makes sure that none of the nutrients are being affected by the sunlight. So even if this is sitting in the sun, the nutrients are being like preserved. So if you're going to use castor oil, I do recommend using this one, because this one has way more benefits for you. So I did put this in a applicator bottle. So right now all I'm going to do is just take my hair out. And yeah, so I'm going to take my hair out. My hair is like really dry. Yeah. And I'm going to section my hair out off. So I'm just going to like section my hair off. I'll just start with the front so that you guys can see. I'm just going to do section by section. So in the video, she used water first, so that's what I'm going to do. So yeah, and of course, castor oil is really good for hair growth. So, of course, I'm trying to grow my hair as well. All right, so I think that that's enough oil. I mean, enough water. So now I'm just going to take the castor oil and start applying it to my hair. This stuff is so thick. So I'm going to try to also detangle my hair as I apply this oil into my hair. This stuff is so thick, it's very hard to detangle your hair with this stuff. That's something that I'm noticing. Section. See guys, breakage, not breakage, but shedding. There's like some hairs. So this section is detangled, so I'm just going to put this piece up. So I'm going to try to like detangle it with the water first, and then add the oil after I pretty much detangled it with the water, because I think that'll be easier. So as you can see, I'm used to finger detangling my hair. I always finger detangle my hair. oh my gosh, finger detangle my hair. I always oh my gosh, I can't say it. I always finger detangle my hair, so it's not really hard for me. It's not really a big hassle because my hair honestly is used to it, as weird as that sounds. So right now I'm just doing that. It's pretty much done, but I'm just gonna add more water to the ends. I don't want to put this in the way. But yeah, so it's pretty detangled, and now I'm just going to get some more oil. Because this oil is so thick, I'm noticing that I'm using a lot for like sections, like per section. So I think that this would probably be better to maybe use another oil just to kind of like not use so much of it, because I've only done 2 sections so far and I'm already basically used an ounce of the oil. So I'm very tempted to just mix this with another oil so that it's not just the castor oil, because before I know it, the whole bottle, like the whole jar that I have, is gonna be gone just for this one treatment. So I think I'm just gonna add another oil just to help spread this out more. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna grab some coconut oil and I'm just going to also add this to my hair. Just because I can be more generous with this oil because it's not as thick. But I'm still gonna be using the coconut oil. I'm still gonna be using the castor oil. I'm just gonna be like mixing it together. But after all of this oil is in my whole head, I'm going to get my hooded dryer and sit underneath that, and then I'm gonna come back on and show you guys what my hair looks like before I rinse it out and after I rinse out the oil. So yeah, my hair feels pretty good with the oil. I'm just gonna pin this up and then go to the next section. So yeah, you guys pretty much get the hint. I'm just going to be spraying my hair with water, then doing castor oil mixed with coconut oil. And I'm gonna do that through my whole head and then apply heat, and yeah. So I'm gonna stop talking so you guys can see.
You hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
Completely applied all of the coconut oil and the castor oil. One of the things that I noticed is that if you have Jamaican black castor oil, you know how expensive it is. So I think a better way to do is just to use another oil with the castor oil. So you can use avocado oil, olive oil, whatever oil that's you can use in your hair. And I use that first, and then I put the castor oil on top to seal it in. So I think that's like the best method, just so you can save the castor oil and not have to use so much. Because if I was gonna just use castor oil on my whole head, the whole bottle would be gone because I'm heavy-handed. But I really like the way my hair looks with the oil in it. Like, my hair looks so healthy right now. It looks very hydrated and very moisturized. I was very heavy-handed with the coconut oil. I used a lot of water, of course, before finger detangled. Then I used the coconut oil, and then I put the castor oil on. So this is what my hair looks like. Oh my gosh, guys, my hair looks so moisturized. I really, really love the way my hair looks right now because my hair was so dry. Hold on. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in the back. My hair was so dry, but now it looks very moisturized and hydrated. and it feels amazing. So I'm just gonna get underneath the hooded dryer. I'm probably gonna be underneath it for about 15 to 30 minutes or so. And then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what my hair looks like. But yeah, I'm loving this so far. Oh my God, my hair looks so great. All right, so I'll see you guys soon. So I just finished applying heat to it. I had the heat in my hair for about 15 to 20 minutes or so. Yeah, my hair still looks really good. I'm gonna rinse it out just so you guys can see what my hair looks with it out, with the oil out of my hair. So I will be back shortly. But again, yeah, my hair still feels really soft, really moisturized, and I'm absolutely loving this. And I will be back once I have this all rinsed out of my hair. I just rinsed it out with water and then I co-washed. My hair still feels really amazing. I like the fact that I can still feel the oil in my hair. That's just my personal opinion. But I really like this. My hair feels very moisturized, very hydrated. I'm in love. I really am. So I'm definitely going to be incorporating this into my hair routine. I'm going to try to be doing this as much as possible. If I can do this every week, I would love that, but we'll see. But yeah, so I like it. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like completely. And this side. But yeah, there's not really much of a difference from what my hair looked like before I rinse it out and now. So I really like this. I highly recommend you guys try it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.